You can also add in a place where you can add in a phone number inside of Notion form database. So to do that, over here you can see that I have a sample database form, and to add in a phone number section to it, I'm just going to go around onto the left hand side and click on add a question. Once you do that and scroll down, you can see that phone is an option, and you can say something like enter your phone number right here, just like this. So once you go ahead and share out the form, or let me just go ahead and preview this, I can go ahead, type in something, and it says invalid phone number. So you need to type in a number in there itself, and then it'll be submitted right here, just like this, as you can see. And that is how you can go ahead and then add in a database form phone section as well inside of Notion, just like this. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.